top 5 event venues that are value for money here in the Philippines. That's a topic we'll tackle here for today. And I'm Engineer Morgan Sa, your coach ng Bayan. So, many people have been asking me, Coach, where's a good event venue where we can have a really nice setting, yet still affordable without having to sacrifice quality? Because a lot of event venues are very expensive, and although they're very good quality, they also charge a very high and steep price. So here are the 5 event venues that we've come up with from our research that have a very nice place at a very affordable and reasonable rate. So coming in at number 5 would be the Emerald Events Place. If you wish to have a celebration with a somewhat cool climate but don't want to look towards Tagaytay, then the Emerald Events Place is perfect for you. It's located in Antipolo, Rizal. You can enjoy breathtaking views of Metro Manila from Makati to Manila Bay as you celebrate your big day or whatever occasion, from birthdays, baptisms, and any gatherings that you want. So don't want to leave the pets at home? This venue also allows you to bring your furry friends or your dogs and cats to join in on the celebration as long as they are wearing a leash and have a handler at all times. So this is located in Cabrera Road in Antipolo, Rizal. You may contact them in their website and in their email. So their price ranges starts from 120,000 pesos. Number 4 would be Light of Love Events Place. If you're looking to have a big celebration closer to the metro, look no further than Quezon City. Perfect for those that like to celebrate big but within a reasonable price range. Light of Love Events Place is a tried and tested location with over 2 hectares of available space. Pick one of their function rooms, or better yet, grab the garden venue for the alfresco feel. It's located at 1163 Santol Street, Barangay Santol, Metro Manila. Contact them at their website and their contact numbers. And their prices starts from 52,800 pesos. Number 3 would be the Rosa Gardens. An out-of-town celebration is also best done in an outdoor setting. And while that's a great idea during the summer, during the rainy season, not so much. It's an event venues like Rosa Gardens in Silang, Cavite that one can fully explore to fully maximize the nature and the fresher air that a person looks for when planning an out-of-town excursion. Not sold on the place yet? This lower garden can fit up to 400 people and is PWD friendly, so it's friendly for people with disabilities. It's located at Toledo Street, Sitio Apiad, Barangay Pulong Bunga, Silang, Cavite. So please contact them in their website and emails as well. So their price ranges starts from 91,000 pesos. And coming in at number 2 is Villa Sommet. It's located in Alfonso, Cavite. Villa Sommet is part of the top 10 searches for wedding venues in Tagaytay. An hour's drive from the metro, celebrate your big day surrounded by towering pine trees that can help bring your Pinterest board to life. Worried about the weather? The venue has the Glass House, an indoor pavilion that overlooks the entire property. It's located at number 5 JP Rizal Street, Sikat, Alfonso, Cavite. And its starting rates also start at only 75,000 pesos. And the number 1 events place here in the Philippines, which is both very affordable and yet also looks very classy and luxurious. It has this historic romance at the same time. This is a personal favorite of mine. The number 1 events venue is none other than White Knight Hotel Intramuros. So White Knight Hotel Intramuros is located in Plaza San Luis. This Plaza San Luis complex is also where Casa Manila and the whole complex where the old Spanish colonial government used to operate from during the time that the Philippines was still under the Spanish crown. So as this place has 400 years of history teeming in its walls, it draws charm and inspiration from the walls and history that surrounds it. White Knight Hotel Intramuros is in Manila, but is also something like of a time travel. When you're here, you feel like you're in Barcelona or in Madrid or somewhere, one of those old castles in Europe feel. It's a very European feel, and it offers first-rate selection of reasonably priced rooms and suites to further make visitors and guests feel like royalty. Their premier facilities and services are presented to accommodate simple whims and also big events like weddings, birthdays, or simple functions as well. So, White Knight Hotel Intramuros is located at Plaza San Luis Complex in Intramuros, Manila. It is just right across the San Agustin Church, which is a 400-year-old church as well. And it is nearby the historic Manila Cathedral with its detailed stone carvings and stained glass mosaics. The century-old famous wedding area of San Agustin Church and the outdoor reception of the Rizal Park boasts an 18-hole golf course nearby as well. The showcase of the golden artifacts at the San Agustin Museum and the site of torture chambers and dungeons of Fort Santiago are also nearby attractions as well. And one of the things that make White Knight Hotel Intramuros very magical is that they have this nice well, which is called the Wishing Well. So for hundreds of years, during the time of the Spanish, many people have thrown coins just to make wishes for their relationships. And legend has it that the well, or everyone who has wished on the well, has never broken up. So these are some of the urban legends that have been going on since the time of the Spanish era. So the address is located in General Luna Street, corner Urdaneta Street, Intramuros, Manila. So this is the most recommended place I would recommend. They have packages starting from as low as 30, 40, 50,000 pesos, and you can scale it up. Depends on the event styling and the motifs that you'll choose. But it's very affordable even without much styling. The whole place is already styled like Europe. Going inside is like going to Spain, going to the old streets of the cobblestones, and going through the olden parts of Europe or Portugal. It's really magical inside once you get inside. And this place is what I recommend to most couples because it's just perfect. It's quaint, it's European, it's luxurious, yet very affordable. And you'll never miss your wedding schedule because if you're getting married at San Agustin or Manila Cathedral, it's just right across the street. And the street is very walkable, very Instagrammable, and very photogenic. So these are the top 5 value for money event venues that I can recommend here in the Philippines. Once again, I am Engineer Morgan Sai, your coach ng bayan.